Welcome to the historic Hotel St. Louis. Hotel St. Louis revitalizes an 1893 historic landmark designed by the famed architect Louis Sullivan along with his team at Adler and Sullivan and constructed as the St. Louis Union Trust Company. Sullivan, considered the creator of the modern skyscraper, is credited with the modernist credo: form ever follows function. Hotel St. Louis is an homage to Sullivan and his legacy. The rooftop bar, Forum Sky Bar, reflects Sullivan's famous philosophy, while the street-level restaurant is named Union 30 after the building's original name and its placement on the city's landmark list. The original two-story lobby has been restored along with a recreation of the stained glass roof. In addition, the top 3 floors have been converted into 14 luxury apartments. Let's check out a premier king suite, and as always, thank you for watching.